linking words, conjunctions, or connecting words in Persian or Farsi. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. I have started a new playlist about the linking words and connecting words in Persian. So this is the part 2 that we're going to focus on the linking word ta. In the part 1, I talked about the linking word ke and the different types of the linking words. So if you want to know more about the different types of conjunctions and the linking word ke, you can watch this video. You can find the links also in the description. If you want to know more about the linking words, make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification. And if you want to support me, you can visit my Patreon. You can find the link in the description. Now let's start the lesson. Today we are going to focus on the word ta. Ta belongs to the linking words of the dependent clauses, the type 1. Let's talk about the usage with the examples. The first usage is expressing of purpose and reason. Just like the linking word ke, I'm going to use the exact examples that I used in the linking word ke for expression of the reason and the purpose. So you can compare them to each other. من به فروشگاه رفتم تا کمی گوشت بخرم. I used the same sentence with که. من به فروشگاه رفتم که کمی گوشت بخرم. تا and که can have the same usage for expression, the purpose and the reason. Both sentences are correct. من به فروشگاه رفتم تا کمی گوشت بخرم. Or من به فروشگاه رفتم که کمی گوشت بخرم. It depends on you. You can use both of them. Both are correct. The next example was به غزل زنگ زدم تا دعوتش کنم. به غزل زنگ زدم تا دعوتش کنم. In the first video I used که. به غزل زنگ زدم که دعوتش کنم. Why I called غزل? دعوتش کنم. So after تا or که, you say your reason. Pay attention for two things. The dependent sentence that starts with ta always comes after the main clause or the independent sentence. And the other thing in this usage, I mean expressions of the purpose and reason, the verbs that comes after ta conjugates in subjunctive mood. Or in other words, the verb that comes in the dependent clause conjugates in subjunctive mood. The second usage, expressing the end of the time or place. Let's see in examples. تا هفته آینده کارها رو به راه میشه. تا هفته آینده کارها رو به راه میشه. تا هفته آینده کارها رو به راه میشه. When I speak fast, I said kara. I omit the he sound. I didn't say karha. I said kara. تا هفته آینده کارا رو به راه میشه. Now here, I said the end of the time when everything will be okay or when everything will be done. When the work will be done, next week. هفته آینده. So here I use ta. Another example for the end of the place. از خونه تا مدرسه پیاده رفتم. از خونه تا مدرسه پیاده رفتم. از خونه تا مدرسه پیاده رفتم. What was my destination? مدرسه, school. Another example. تا او را نبینم حرفی نمیزنم. تا او را نبینم حرفی نمیزنم. In spoken Persian, we don't say ura, we say uno. Uno. تا اونو نبینم حرفی نمیزنم. It was اون رو, but when we speak fast we say اونو. تا اونو نبینم حرفی نمیزنم. When is the end of this silence? When I break my silence? When I see him. So I use ta here to show the end of this silence. Pay attention. In formal Persian or written Persian, we use ela instead of ta, especially when we want to talk about the time. It is used only in written Farsi or Persian. For example, همایش از ساعت 9 صبح الی 6 بعد از ظهر است. همایش از ساعت 9 صبح الی 6 بعد از ظهر است. همایش از ساعت 9 صبح الی 6 بعد از ظهر است. I can use تا instead of الی. همایش از ساعت 9 صبح تا 6 بعد از ظهر است. But as I said before, in written or formal Persian, we use ela instead of ta. It's formal. The third usage is expressing the condition. For example, تا تکلیفت رو انجام ندی نمیذارم تلویزیون ببینی. تا تکلیفت رو انجام ندی نمیذارم تلویزیون ببینی. تا تکلیفتو انجام ندی نمیذارم تلویزیون ببینی. Here note that I said تکلیفتو. When I speak fast, نداریم. When I spoke fast, I said تکلیفتو. Again, تا تکلیفتو انجام ندی نمیذارم تلویزیون ببینی. Here, تا used for expressing the condition. Another example. تا به خودت احترام نذاری دیگران هم به تو احترام نمیذارن. تا به خودت احترام نذاری دیگران هم به تو احترام نمیذارن. تا به خودت احترام نذاری دیگران هم به تو احترام نمیذارن. So, I use a condition. For example, if you didn't respect yourself, others won't respect you. The fourth usage of this linking word is expressions of simultaneity of doing two tasks or doing one thing immediately after another. In this usage, ta is synonymous with همین که، وقتی که، به محض این که. So in this usage, also you can use these linking words instead of ta. So they are synonym. Let me show you in examples. تا مریم موش رو دید جیغ زد. تا مریم موش رو دید جیغ زد. تا مریم موش رو دید جیغ زد. You see, again, I said موشو. موشو, not موش رو. تا مریم موش رو دید جیغ زد. You see, the act of screaming done immediately after seeing the mouse. When Maryam saw the mouse, immediately she screamed. So, تا موشو دید جیغ زد. Also, you can use جیغ کشید. جیغ زد جیغ کشید. Another example. تا میخوام حرف بزنم میپره وسط حرفم. تا میخوام حرف بزنم میپره وسط حرفم. تا میخوام حرف بزنم میپره وسط حرفم. You see, when I want to talk, at the same time, when I start talking, immediately he or she interrupts me. What? Yes? interrupts. Okay guys, that was the lesson for today. I want you to make other sentences and examples and share them in comments. I will check all your answers and give you feedback. So by practicing and using the different usage of linking word ta in sentences will improve your speaking skills, also your writing skill at the same time. So make sure to do your homework and write different sentences in comments. So if you have any question and if you want me to make a video about a specific subject, write in comments and I will check all of them and I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you want to support me, make sure to subscribe Learn Persian with Asal channel and like the video. By the way, you can visit my Patreon. You can find the link in the description. And if you join me, I really appreciate your support. And there is no obligation, but there is much appreciation. بوس به کله هاتون. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.